Hey guys, it's MFJ back with another video. Today, we're talking about protein shakes. Protein shakes have become incredibly popular these days, and for good reasons. It's a well-loved dietary supplement to help you meet your fitness goals. But do you really need to drink protein shakes every day? What happens if you do? Continue watching to learn all about it. Did you know that a high-protein breakfast can curb cravings and promote fullness between meals? Protein shakes are a convenient way to increase your morning protein intake. By drinking a protein shake in the morning, you can manage your appetite and food choices throughout the day. This means fewer mid-morning or afternoon cravings. The feeling of fullness from a protein-rich breakfast can help with weight management. It's a small change with the potential for big results. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. It plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being. Without adequate protein, our bodies cannot function optimally, leading to various health issues. Some individuals may find it challenging to meet their daily protein requirements through diet alone, especially with busy lifestyles and dietary restrictions. This is where protein shakes can be incredibly beneficial. They offer a quick and easy way to ensure you're getting enough protein. Protein shakes provide a convenient and concentrated source of protein, especially for those following a plant-based diet or those with specific dietary needs. There are numerous plant-based protein powders available such as soy, pea, and hemp protein. These options cater to various dietary preferences and allergies, making it easier for everyone to meet their protein needs. By adding a scoop of protein powder to your shake, you can significantly boost its protein content, ensuring you meet your daily requirements. This is particularly important for athletes and active individuals who require higher protein intake to support muscle recovery and growth. For fitness enthusiasts and athletes, protein is crucial for muscle growth and repair. It plays a vital role in ensuring that your muscles recover and grow stronger after each workout session. Protein provides the building blocks necessary to repair muscle fibers and build new muscle tissue. Without adequate protein intake, your muscles may not recover properly, leading to potential injuries and slower progress. Consuming a protein shake after your workout can be particularly beneficial for muscle protein synthesis. This process is essential for repairing the tiny tears in muscle fibers caused by intense exercise. This is because exercise increases muscle protein synthesis rates, making it the perfect time to provide your body with the nutrients it needs. Protein shakes can help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery after intense workouts. They provide a convenient and efficient way to ensure your muscles get the necessary nutrients. The timing of protein intake is essential for maximizing muscle growth. Consuming protein at the right time can significantly impact your muscle recovery and growth. Consuming protein within 30 minutes to an hour after your workout can optimize muscle protein synthesis and recovery. This window of time is often referred to as the anabolic window. Incorporating a protein shake into your post-workout routine can support your fitness goals. It ensures that your muscles have the necessary nutrients to recover and grow, helping you achieve better results. One of the best things about protein shakes is their versatility. They can be a delicious and convenient way to sneak in extra nutrients into your diet. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are excellent additions to protein shakes. Fruits like berries and bananas add flavor, sweetness, and a boost of vitamins and antioxidants. You can also add healthy fats like chia seeds and almonds for extra nutrition. By getting creative with your ingredients, you can create delicious and nutritious protein shakes. Protein shakes can cater to your specific dietary needs and taste preferences. We've already touched upon the importance of protein for muscle growth and repair. But did you know that protein is also crucial for post-workout recovery? Consuming a protein shake within 30 minutes to an hour after your workout provides your muscles with the essential amino acids they need to kickstart the recovery process. This window of time is often referred to as the anabolic window, where your muscles are most receptive to nutrients. Protein shakes can help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation caused by exercise. This is particularly beneficial for those who engage in intense workouts or endurance training. Protein helps repair muscle damage and reduce inflammation, allowing you to recover faster. Faster recovery means you can get back to your training routine more quickly and effectively. Protein shakes can also help replenish your energy stores after a workout. This is essential for maintaining your energy levels throughout the day. When combined with a source of carbohydrates, protein shakes can help replenish your glycogen stores. Glycogen is the primary fuel your muscles use during exercise, and replenishing it is key to sustained performance. Incorporating a protein shake into your post-workout routine can be a game changer for your recovery and overall performance. Not only does it aid in muscle repair, but it also helps you feel more energized and ready for your next workout session. Now, do you acknowledge the good things that come from drinking a protein shake every morning? So are you going to do it? Let us know your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.